Hi guys, let's practice some Chinese colors. 蓝色 blue， 绿色 green， go to green， 紫色 purple， 红色 粉红色 粉红色 We're going to play this game. See? And I also have an Apple Pencil, so I'm going to use the Apple Pencil. See? The little apple and a pencil. I'm going to use the Apple Pencil to press the things, because then it won't get like fingerprints on it. So let's start one game. Pairs. So I'm just going to translate the colors.
白色
White.
黄色
And if it's not right, it goes like boom. Flats down, but it just bounces somewhere else. Let's do... Na.
黄色
Ooh, yellow.
黄色
We found where the yellows are, and when it is right, then it just like disappears. With sparkle twinkles.
白色
White.
粉红色
Oh, pink.
粉红色
Ah, pink.
粉红色
It was next to each other all
白
along.
色
White and white. Don't do it. Do it. So,
白色
white.
黄色
Oh, yellow. Meh.
棕色
Brown.
黄色
Yellow.
黄色
It was next to each other all along.
棕色棕色
Brown and brown. Go.
白色
White is always on that corner.
白色
What? And it's there? It's not the same corner.
粉红色
And
粉红色
it's just pink. Now we are going to move on to the next game. It's not a level. So we're gonna play bubbles. Ooh, this is a bit hard for me actually. It goes up to level 5. Ah,
白色
white and blue.
黄色
Yellow.
打白色
Now you have to like pick the ones.
打黄色
Yellow,
打白色
white.
打蓝色
Oh, blue.
打黄色
Ah, you have to get the color.
打蓝色
This is very hard for me actually. It comes like this. Level 2.
黑色
Black.
红色
Red.
粉红色
Pink.
绿色
Green.
打粉红色
Pink.
打黑色
Black.
打红色
Red. It flies up.
打粉红色
Pink. Color search with a ducky. It's funny.
粉红色
Pink.
粉红色
Which is a flower.
灰色
Gray.
灰色
It always says gray.
红色 红色
You can press the question mark if you
橘色
didn't hear.
橘色
Orange,
黄色
yellow,
紫色
purple.
紫色
Oh, yeah.
白色白色
White,
棕色棕色
brown, brownie,
绿色
green,
绿色蓝色蓝
blue,
色黑色
black.
黑色
And now it just does it all by itself. And then a check, you have to press it. And this is the score you got. So 5. Now this is palette. So you can mix colors in this game. And this is actually my favorite game. I love it. And even though, look at this cat, it also has a palette in its hand.
涂灰色
You have to mix
Hey,
colors to make it
Hey.
like the color. So you have to make it gray. This one,
涂粉红色
pink.
红白
Ah. Why am I pressing 2 at a time? White
Hong.
plus red equals pink.
粉红色
See?
涂绿色
Green. So maybe green. I don't know. I always get confused.
黄蓝绿色
Ah, yes, green.
涂黑色
Oh,
Hey.
black. And when it tickles, then it just runs
涂
away.
黄色
Yellow.
黄色
Yellow.
涂橘色
Orange.
橘色
When it's already yellow, then you can
涂
just like,
紫色
oh,
蓝
purple.
红紫色
Ew.
涂棕色
Oh, brown.
黑棕色
What? That's purple! What are you... What? There was actually a mistake at the game. And if you spotted it, leave comments below.